Hey everyone, welcome to Super Timepiece. For decades, automatic movements sat at the top of the watch world, worshipped for their mechanical romance and old-world craftsmanship. But something is quietly shifting, and the entire industry is taking notice. Major names like Tag Heuer, Tissot, Alpina, and Maurice Lacroix have all launched serious solar-powered models recently. Something that would have been unthinkable a decade ago when solar was considered a budget-only technology. Solar watches now offer accuracy automatics cannot match, zero maintenance costs, and power reserves stretching 6 to 10 months in total darkness. LVMH itself bought a solar technology pioneer, signaling exactly where smart money sees the future heading. In this video, we count down 10 solar watches proving this quiet revolution is real, spanning budget legends to genuine Swiss engineering. Let's see why solar is no longer the backup option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 10. Casio G-Shock GA-B2 Casioc. Tough Solar starting our countdown at number 10 is the Casio G-Shock GA-B2 nicknamed the Casioc for its unmistakable resemblance to the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. This watch proves solar technology and premium aesthetics are not mutually exclusive anymore. The tough solar system charges reliably from any light source, indoor or outdoor. The octagonal bezel and integrated bracelet design create serious visual presence usually reserved for luxury sports watches. Water resistance handles daily wear and swimming without any concern. The shock resistance is legendary, protecting the module from devastating impacts. Bluetooth connectivity allows smartphone syncing for automatic time adjustments. The battery reserve can last years thanks to Casio's efficient solar management. This watch became a genuine internet sensation, selling out repeatedly at retailers worldwide. Reviewers consistently praise it as proof that affordable solar watches can look genuinely expensive. The design has become so popular that resale prices sometimes exceed retail. Buyers who want luxury-adjacent styling without luxury pricing or battery maintenance keep gravitating toward this model. The combination of design, durability, and zero-maintenance solar power created a genuine phenomenon. When style-conscious buyers realize solar watches can look this good, automatic movements suddenly seem less essential. Number 9. Timex Expedition Scout Solar-Powered. At number 9 is the Timex Expedition Scout Solar-Powered, a field watch that brings genuine outdoor reliability without ever needing a battery change. This watch features a clean, highly legible dial designed for quick time checks during outdoor activities. The Indiglo backlight illuminates the entire display for nighttime visibility. Solar charging keeps the watch running indefinitely from ambient or direct sunlight exposure. Water resistance handles rain, hiking sweat, and stream crossings comfortably. The resin case is lightweight and comfortable for extended daily wear. The nylon strap is durable and quick-drying, ideal for outdoor adventures. This watch has been specifically highlighted for ultimate durability paired with genuine solar convenience at an extremely accessible price. Reviewers note that Timex successfully brought solar technology to buyers who previously assumed it belonged only to premium brands. Outdoor enthusiasts appreciate never worrying about battery failure mid-expedition. The vintage-inspired design keeps the watch stylish for casual and outdoor settings alike. Buyers comparing this to automatic field watches find solar delivers superior accuracy with zero winding required. When budget-conscious outdoor adventurers choose reliability over mechanical romance, this Timex explains exactly why solar keeps winning. Number 8. Orient Neo 70s. Solar chronograph coming in at number 8 is the Orient Neo 70s solar chronograph, the standout execution within Orient's popular vintage-inspired collection. This watch combines 70s-style aesthetics with genuinely modern solar convenience. The solar quartz movement delivers a 6-month power reserve per full charge with excellent accuracy. The chronograph function operates smoothly, with the reset hand movement described by reviewers as genuinely satisfying to watch. The case design captures authentic vintage charm without feeling like a costume piece. Water resistance covers daily wear and incidental water exposure comfortably. The dial layout balances vintage character with modern legibility standards. This model has been specifically praised for seamlessly blending nostalgic design with zero-maintenance technology. Reviewers note the movement performs excellently, even though the stock bracelet leaves something to be desired, with many owners swapping to a NATO strap for improved comfort and aesthetics. Buyers drawn to vintage chronograph styling increasingly choose this over automatic vintage-inspired alternatives specifically for the solar convenience. The combination of retro looks and modern reliability creates genuine crossover appeal. When vintage style meets solar practicality this effectively, automatic chronographs lose one of their strongest remaining arguments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 7. Casio Edifice Solar Chronograph. At number 7, we have the Casio Edifice Solar Chronograph, consistently named the top overall pick among affordable solar chronographs for good reason. This watch features solar-powered quartz timing combined with excellent build quality that outperforms its modest price point. The chronograph function is accurate and reliable for daily timing needs. The stainless steel case has sophisticated brushed and polished finishing. Water resistance handles daily wear and water exposure comfortably. The dial layout is complex and visually impressive, resembling watches costing significantly more. The tachymeter bezel adds genuine functional utility for speed calculations. This model has been specifically recommended as the top choice for anyone comparing affordable solar options against traditional battery-powered chronographs. Reviewers highlight the balance of durability, accuracy, and value this watch consistently delivers. The solar charging eliminates the recurring battery replacement costs typical quartz chronographs require. Buyers researching budget chronograph options repeatedly land on this model as their final choice. The sophisticated dial complexity creates a perceived value well above the actual price point. When accuracy and zero-maintenance convenience matter more than mechanical romance, the Edifice Solar consistently wins the comparison. Number 6. Seiko Prospex SN-E593 Solar Diver. Taking number 6 is the Seiko Prospex SN-E593 Solar Diver, a watch specifically celebrated for offering the longest power reserve found in any solar dive watch on the market. This watch delivers an astonishing 10-month power reserve from a single full charge. The design carries authentic Seiko dive watch DNA, respected worldwide for decades. Water resistance meets serious professional diving standards. The unidirectional rotating bezel operates with precise, satisfying clicks. The dial features large luminous hands and markers built for underwater visibility. You could genuinely forget this watch in a drawer for the better part of a year, and it would still be keeping perfect time when rediscovered. This capability alone represents something automatic movements simply cannot replicate, since mechanical watches stop within days without wrist motion. Reviewers specifically call out this extended reserve as a defining feature, separating it from competitors. Divers and collectors both value the combination of genuine Seiko engineering and worry-free solar power. Buyers who rotate between multiple watches appreciate never returning to a dead battery or stopped movement. When a solar watch can outlast months of neglect and still perform flawlessly, it directly challenges the entire premise behind why people choose automatics. Number 5. Alpina Alpiner Extreme Solar Meter. At number 5 is the Alpina Alpiner Extreme Solar Meter, representing something genuinely significant. A serious Swiss watchmaker adding solar to a lineup that already included both quartz and automatic options. This watch features the AL140 caliber, developed in collaboration with Swiss solar pioneer La Joux-Perret. The case measures a wearable 37.5 mm at a slim 8.35 mm thickness, making it exceptionally comfortable on the wrist. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, suitable for daily wear and swimming. The sapphire crystal delivers genuine scratch resistance at a premium level. The integrated bracelet design creates a cohesive, modern silhouette. This movement can run up to 10 months on a full charge, with just 1 minute of light exposure providing enough power for a full day of operation. Alpina expanded this technology into its rugged integrated bracelet collection, specifically because demand for solar has grown among serious watch buyers. Reviewers highlight this as proof that solar technology has genuinely arrived in the Swiss watchmaking establishment, not just budget brands. When an established Swiss manufacturer builds solar into its flagship sports collection, the signal to the broader watch industry becomes impossible to ignore. Number 4. TAG Heuer Aquaracer Solar Graph. Claiming number 4 is the TAG Heuer Aquaracer Solar Graph, a watch that puts genuine Swiss luxury credibility behind the solar movement in a way few brands have attempted. This watch carries the respected Aquaracer name, a lineup that has included quartz and automatic versions since its introduction in 2003. The solar graph technology charges efficiently from any light source while maintaining chronometer-level accuracy. Water resistance meets serious professional diving specifications. The case construction reflects TAG Heuer's typical premium finishing and attention to detail. The bezel operates with precise, confident clicks appropriate for underwater timing. This model appeals specifically to divers and boat professionals who may not move enough during the day to keep an automatic movement's rotor properly winding. Sudden jarring movements on boats can also damage automatic mainsprings, making solar a genuinely superior practical choice for maritime professionals. Collectors increasingly buy this watch specifically as a rugged beater piece, protecting more expensive automatics from rough environments. Reviewers note TAG Heuer's decision to enter solar signals real confidence in the technology's future within luxury watchmaking. When a brand this prestigious builds solar into its most recognizable dive collection, automatic dominance starts looking less permanent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 3. Citizen Eco Drive ProMaster Diver EIS BN015109L. Securing bronze at number 3 is the Citizen Eco Drive ProMaster Diver BN015109L, widely recognized as a mid-range professional-grade solar diver with genuinely government-level build quality. This watch features a robust 44mm stainless steel case built for serious durability. The sapphire crystal provides premium scratch resistance rarely matched at this price point. ISO certification confirms authentic professional dive watch capability. Water resistance reaches 200 meters, meeting real diving standards. The Eco Drive movement charges efficiently and maintains reliable accuracy for years without maintenance. The unidirectional rotating bezel operates smoothly with precise timing markers. This specific model has limited seasonal production runs, creating genuine demand and scarcity among collectors. Reviewers consistently name it among the best overall solar watches for buyers wanting reliable, stylish everyday wear that never requires a battery change. The combination of authentic dive credibility and zero-maintenance solar technology creates strong appeal across casual and serious buyers alike. Divers specifically appreciate not worrying about automatic movement winding during long surface intervals. When a watch delivers professional dive specifications alongside solar convenience this effectively, it becomes difficult to justify paying more for equivalent automatic alternatives. Number 2. Maurice Lacroix Pontos S Solar Chronograph. Taking silver at number 2 is the Maurice Lacroix Pontos S Solar Chronograph, a watch that represents perhaps the most surprising entry into solar technology from any Swiss manufacturer. Maurice Lacroix has built its entire reputation on mechanical watchmaking excellence, making this solar chronograph an unexpected but deliberate strategic pivot. This watch features a Swiss-made solar quartz movement, marking a genuine first for the Pontos collection. Solar charging means battery changes are only required once every 10 years. An enormous leap beyond typical quartz maintenance schedules. The watch offers 5 months of autonomous running at full solar charge, providing serious peace of mind. The chronograph function operates with the precision expected from a manufacturer known for mechanical excellence. The case construction carries the sporty, robust design language the Pontos S collection built its reputation on. Reviewers specifically highlight this as evidence that even brands deeply rooted in mechanical tradition see genuine commercial and technical value in solar power. Industry analysts point to this release as a significant signal about where serious watchmaking is heading next. When a mechanical specialist voluntarily builds a solar flagship, it validates the technology at the highest level of Swiss watchmaking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 1. Seiko Prospex SNE569 Solar Diver. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Seiko Prospex SNE569 Solar Diver, the watch that most perfectly captures why solar technology is quietly reshaping buyer priorities across the entire industry. This watch combines Seiko's legendary dive watch design heritage with genuinely impressive solar engineering. Water resistance reaches 200 meters, meeting authentic professional diving standards. The screw-down crown ensures reliable water sealing during serious underwater use. Seiko's V157 solar movement delivers a 10-month power reserve from a single full charge. An extraordinary figure by any measure. The sunburst blue dial shifts tones dramatically under different lighting conditions, creating genuine visual depth. At an accessible price point around $350, this represents a genuine Seiko diver that will never need a battery replacement throughout years of ownership. Reviewers specifically highlight this model as delivering Seiko dive watch quality alongside unmatched solar convenience in one complete package. The combination of authentic heritage, professional specifications, extended power reserve, and eye-catching dial finishing creates the strongest possible case for solar's growing dominance. Buyers researching dive watches increasingly discover that solar delivers everything automatics promise, minus the maintenance, minus the accuracy drift, and minus the ongoing cost. When even die-hard mechanical watch communities start recommending this model over comparable automatics, the quiet solar takeover becomes impossible to deny any longer.